Spurs leading scorer at 20.5 points per game. That's off. Duncan on the bank. Leary on the backside. I don't think he can double up. Ginobili off the screen. And Duncan. Again. Carmelo, no. And Duncan's got it. Out of the backcourt comes Big Timmy. Nobody stops him. Timmy into the corner. Bowen for three. Sick. A do-over for Duncan, and he rolls the second one.
Nuggets.com for all information, online orders, or through a 38 NHL, NFL, Major League 12 games. They have 13 games. Start of the third quarter. We're tied at 58.
Duncan.
Eduardo rolls and works in the league.
Duncan, mad now, gonna try it again. In the lane, drops it home. And he's got 12 rebounds. Parker coming in, no. Duncan, yes. Ginobili down the middle. Now Ginobili gets it. D now. Finley turn. Whip it out to Bonner. Bonner for three. Into Duncan. Pass underneath. 20 to go. Fourth quarter. And off Ginobili. Ginobili to Duncan.
Dribble, and still no 3 seconds.
Duncan tonight has made 7 out of 8. That's darn good for him. One more for Duncan.
They look for little things like that.
That's going to do it.